Hello everyone. Wanted to reach out and do a little bit of math today. Chapter 10, Lesson 5, 6th grade math book. I'm going to be looking at page 786 and we'll be doing problems number 1 and number 3. Before we get into that, I thought we should get into some serious stuff like a dad joke real quick. This is actually true. I called my sister back home last night and just checking in with her, and she was bawling like crazy. Didn't know what was wrong. I said, "Are you having a crisis?" All right, so reminder, I'm on page 786 looking at number 1. Now for this first one, spoiler alert, I've already worked it out. I was doing it a second ago and then realized it wasn't recording. Oh joy. So this one, we're finding the surface area for it. It has a square base. I can see that it has a 4 by 4 base, so 4 times 4, length times width gets you an area of 16 inches squared for your base. Now since the base is a 4-sided figure, we know that we are going to have 4 triangles that we need to find the total surface area for next. So when we're finding area of triangles, that's going to be half the base times height. So I see I have a base of 4 and a height of 6. So we'll go ahead and half either one of those numbers. It doesn't matter. I'll just go ahead and cut the 4 in half, so that becomes 2. 2 times 6 gets me 12. And then I have 4 faces that are 12 going around, which is going to give me a total of 48 inches squared, and that's for my triangular faces. We combine those two together, and we get a total surface area of 64 inches squared. All right, now for our other shape, we have a triangular base. So I'm going to start by, you can see it's kind of got this little funky height in there. It's 4.3, kind of hard to see. And then that triangle has a base of 5. So 5 would be the easier of the two numbers to cut in half. It's either 5 divided by 2 or 5 times 0.5, whatever you wish. But you know that gets you 2.5. And then we're going to take that times the 4.3. So 2.5 times 4.3 gets me 10.75 centimeters squared, and that's our base. Now since this one is a triangle, or has a triangular base, that means we're going to have 3 faces that are triangles going upwards here. You see it has a base of 5 and a height of 6. Let's just go ahead and half that 6. So half of 6 is 3. Take that times the 5. 3 times 5 gets me 15. Now remember, there's 3 of them, and they're all going to be 15. So that's a total of 45. Don't forget your decimals. I bet you've heard me say that before. And I get 55.75. And that's centimeters squared. And that's the total surface area. I hope that's helpful. I know you have other examples to look at and whatnot. If you get stuck, give me a ring, give me an email, shoot me a text, whatever. Let me know. See you guys.